Hello, GAR and Southwest MLS members. My name is Julie Nunez. I'm the digital marketing and content specialist here at GAR, and I'm here today to talk to you about a bug while using the single sign-on and FlexMLS Pro app on your iPhone. There's an error that is happening. I'm going to show you how to get that issue resolved today. The first step we want to do is duplicate the error. We want to get into the FlexMLS Pro app, enter your credentials, verify that your credentials are right. Once you get the error, you'll see the error. It looks like it does on screen, or it will also have an MMSI error saying it's unable to connect to the server. From here, you want to force close the app, go to Settings, General, and About. We want to make sure your iPhone software is updated and running the current version, because that does affect how it connects to and works with the application. So we'll see that it's updated there. We go back to General and then into iPhone storage. As you'll see, it's going to load your apps. They're not alphabetized, but they're listed in the order of size. So you'll see the FlexMLS Pro app between 60 and 80 megabytes, and you'll have to make sure it's version 2.9.1. That's the current version of the app. And then you want to tap Offload App. What this does is this is clearing the temporary data within the application and allows you to establish a new connection to the server. Once the app offloads, you'll see tap Reinstall App. Go ahead and tap that there, and you'll see it spinning there as it reloads and installs the temporary data back into the mobile application. Once this is set up, then what you're going to do is force close all your apps, and then I want you to open the FlexMLS Pro app and sign in again. It'll ask you for your MLS ID with the ABQ dot and enter your password. You can't see my keyboard at the bottom there. Just to be safe, and after you hit login again, after offloading the app, then that will resolve this issue right up. If you're having any additional issues with the FlexMLS Pro or single sign-on, at this point, just give me a call here at GAR, and we'd be happy to help you with the process to make sure we get this issue resolved for you.